Shefali Jariwala, better known as the Kanta Laga girl, passed away at the age of 42 due to cardiac arrest. She was rushed to the hospital but was declared dead on arrival. Shefali Jariwala's untimely passing is a call to action. It is not just a name, but a warning. Not just for women, but for the healthcare system, families, and society as a whole to take women's heart health seriously. Why? And what should we learn from this? Did you know that the symptoms of a heart attack in women are completely different from those in men? And often it takes so long to recognize these symptoms that it becomes difficult to save lives. Hello friends, I am Dr. Geeta and welcome to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub, where we talk about your health, lifestyle and overall wellness. Before we begin the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share this important information with your family and friends, as this information can save someone's life. Heart attack in women, an invisible danger. According to the World Health Organization, about 1.73 crore people die of heart disease every year, including a large number of women. Heart disease is the cause of death of every third woman in the world. This problem is even more serious in India because the symptoms of heart attack in women are different from those in men and are often ignored. Even heart attack kills 10 times more women than breast cancer. But the sad thing is that most women ignore heart disease, considering it a disease of men only. Hidden symptoms of heart attack in women. Even if you do not have chest pain, you can still be a victim of a heart attack. Fatigue, nausea or vomiting, shortness of breath, dizziness, pain in the back, neck or jaw. We often ignore all these symptoms, considering them to be problems related to gas, fatigue or periods. But this ignorance sometimes proves fatal. 8 important facts related to heart disease. According to cardiologist Dr. Dmitry Yaranov, heart disease is the #1 killer of women. The symptoms are different. The pain is less, restlessness and fatigue are more. Women often do not receive timely and appropriate treatment. Both social perceptions and the health system are responsible. Women themselves also seek treatment late. Neither medicines nor CPR. Stress and mental health problems are also a big factor. The risk of heart attack increases after menopause. The plaque structure in women's arteries is different, which often makes standard heart tests fail. But the good news is, heart disease is completely preventable. According to interventional cardiologist Dr. Rudradip Pandey, Birla Hospital, Jaipur, 7 lifestyle changes that can save lives. 1. If you are taking any medicine for a long time, even on the advice of a doctor, just to enhance beauty, skin or body beauty, then be cautious. If medicines are taken continuously and without real need, they can gradually have adverse effects on the body. It is better to adopt natural methods and take medicines only when needed and for a limited period. 2. Take a balanced diet. Include fiber, fruits, green vegetables, and whole grains. Stay away from saturated fats, sugar, and fried food. 3. Exercise regularly. Walk, do yoga or aerobic exercise for at least 150 minutes a week. 4. Reduce stress. Adopt meditation and breathing techniques. Stress is the biggest enemy of the heart. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking almost doubles the risk of heart disease in women. Stay away from alcohol. Alcohol has a negative effect on blood pressure, weight, and liver. 7. Get your chronic diseases treated on time. Diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol silently damage the heart. It is very important to get regular checkups. So friends, this was today's important information, which is not just a health video, but a warning. If you or any woman in your family shows these symptoms, contact the doctor immediately. Delay can be fatal. Let us know how you liked this video by commenting below. And are you ready to make some changes in your lifestyle? Like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub, because your health is your real wealth. See you in the next video. Till then, remember, healthy woman, healthy family, healthy society.